Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make the best chocolate chip cookies you've ever had. Ever. The best. Let's see if I can switch the screen. These right here are the best chocolate chip cookies you will ever have. I love them. They are so rich and like so thick and just the best chocolate chips ever. Let me show you how to do it. So for this recipe, I use 2 sticks of butter, which is 1 cup of butter, 1.5 cups of brown sugar, 3 cups of flour, chocolate chips, I think that's about 2 cups. I don't really measure. 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 1/2 teaspoon of table salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 eggs. And when the consistency looks good, then you just want to add your chocolate chips. However many you want. Alexa, set my timer for 9 minutes.
9 minutes, starting now.
So this batch that I make usually makes about 2 pans, and usually I have a little bit left over, and sometimes I save it and put it in the refrigerator and use it later, but I think tonight I'm just gonna use all of it. Okay, so Alexa's telling me the cookies are ready, which they definitely don't look ready just yet. So you can just kind of see how, I think it needs about like 1 minute or 2. Usually you take them out as soon as they start browning around the edges, that like just browning, because when you take them out, they might not look done, but they will still keep cooking when you put them on the cookie tray. Yeah, you want cookies?
Yeah.
Putting one out, and put another one in.
Now let's put it in back in my blue folder. Yum, yum.
Then we are going to let them cool for about 2 minutes. Then we're going to transfer them to this cookie sheet where they'll cool for probably about 5 more minutes. And then they'll be ready to eat. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Big thumbs up. And go make you some chocolate chips right now, because I guarantee you after you watch this video, you're gonna want some. Bye guys.